Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Team Deathmatch in Call of Duty Warzone. First, launch Warzone and navigate to the main menu. Look for the Play tab and select it. Within the game modes, you'll find Team Deathmatch listed. Choose this option to begin matchmaking. It's a fast-paced mode focused on player versus player combat, so get ready for action. Once you've selected Team Deathmatch, you'll enter the pre-game lobby. This is your chance to adjust your loadout. Choose weapons, attachments, and perks that suit your playstyle. A good loadout can significantly impact your performance. If playing with a squad, confirm everyone is ready before the match begins. Communication is key for success in this mode. During the match, your primary goal is to eliminate enemies and avoid being eliminated yourself. Work with your team to control key areas of the map. Pay attention to the minimap for enemy locations and objective markers. Don't rush into open areas without cover. Remember, every elimination contributes to your team's score, so play smart and strategically. Victory in Team Deathmatch goes to the team that reaches the score limit first, or has the highest score when the timer runs out. After the match, take a moment to review your performance and see how you contributed. This helps you improve for future games. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.